first time you're visiting me, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. I am entering fall cooking season, which is my favorite of all because it means soup and stews and blah, 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 all these yummy things. Well, today I'm going to do an adaptation of a recipe I found online. And I'm calling it chicken and red lentil curry. Now, it's served over rice, which will give you points, additional points. But if you serve it just plain or over like zucchini noodles or some other vegetable, you're more than welcome to do that, and it will taste delicious with any of those. So get ready, sit back, and if this is interesting, just click subscribe and stay with me. Thanks so much. Okay, so we're going to start with about a teaspoon of avocado oil, and I have heated this up on saute because we're going to saute some chicken. This right here is 1 pound of chicken that I've diced really finely. Now that that is mostly done, we're going to leave it on saute for a little bit, and we're going to add our seasonings. This is red curry paste right here. The label came off when I opened it. And we need 2 tablespoons of it. We need 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, or 2 teaspoons, sorry. Sorry, we also need 2 teaspoons of turmeric. Two teaspoons of ginger. I have squeezed ginger right here because I like it. So 2 teaspoons of that. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. Ooh, so good. So 1 teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, three heaping teaspoons of garlic. 1, 2, 3. Six ounces of tomato paste. 5 cups of vegetable broth. And 2 cups of washed rinsed red lentils. Now we're going to stir that up so that all of those ingredients are nice and incorporated. Look how beautiful that is. I wish you could smell it because it really smells delightful. All right, that looks pretty good to me. Okay, now we're going to put on the lid. We're going to lock it in place. We're going to put our steam vent back to lock. And we're going to pressure cook this on high for 20 minutes. And I'll come back when it's done. Okay, so we pressure cooked it at high for 25 minutes. I let it natural release for 5, and now I'm letting the excess steam escape so that we can open this lid. And then as soon as we open this lid, we're going to stir everything up, and we're going to add in 1 cup of light coconut milk. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at how nice and thick that is. Woo-wee. Now we're going to add in that light coconut milk. We're going to stir that in. Look at how beautiful that is.